Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now at sports time, the Jamaica Scorpions were 54-1 in their matchup against the Barbados Pride in the Cricket West Indies Regional 4-Day Championship match at Sabina Park. Carlos Brown and Kirk McKenzie are at the crease. Brown was on 29 while McKenzie was on 20 at sports time. The Jair McAllister has taken the only wicket to fall so far for Barbados. Chadwick Walton, who had a phenomenal second match against the CCC, could only muster 5. The Jamaica Scorpions are coming off a 10-wicket win over the CCC, while the Barbados Pride lost their last match by 9 wickets to the Windward Islands Volcanoes. The Antigua and Barbuda franchise in this season's Caribbean Premier League will be called the Falcons, following Tuesday's announcement at the Sir Viv Richards Stadium in Antigua. The Falcons will replace the Jamaica Tallawahs, whose rights have been resold to the owners due to what the former owners described as a lack of support from the Jamaican government. Antigua previously hosted a franchise named the Antigua Hawksbills in the first 2 CPL seasons, but they won only 3 matches and were replaced by the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots in 2015. The 2024 edition of the CPL will take place from August 28 to October 6, with games taking place in Antigua for the first time in 10 years. Barbados, Guyana, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia and Trinidad and Tobago are the other venues. The National Stadium in Providence, Guyana will host the final. Edith Dalton James will be looking to continue their winning run when they face Tivoli Gardens at their school grounds, while St. Jago High are seeking to bounce back when they oppose Camperdown at Alpha Boys School in Group F action from the ISA Tip Friendly Society School Girls Football Competition. Both games start at 3 p.m. Meanwhile, both teams faced off with each other on Monday, with Edith Dalton coming away 2-0 winners. The goals for Edith Dalton came on either side of the half. Olivia Nevers opened the scoring in the 10th minute, while Felicia Brown got the second in minute 80.
Well, we are happy for the 3 points, 2 goals away, so we have to give thanks for that. But there are some areas that we need to tighten up and work on. And I guess because it's the first match, so the girls have a bit of nerves. But tomorrow we'll go back through some of the issues that I saw and discuss it with the coaching staff and come stronger for Wednesday.
It is a young team, but at the end of the day, the expectations are still high. I'm disappointed at the result. I don't think we played our best game today. I think we could have played a whole lot better. I think we could have created more chances and we could have limited the chances that Edith got.
That's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shane?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's it for the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News Sports and Production teams, have a good afternoon.